Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. Today I'm here with the latest Redmi Note 5 Pro. So today I'm here to show you some of the tips and tricks. So without further wasting any time, let's get started. Okay guys, so first in the list is to hide the on-screen navigation button to enjoy the full 18:9 display. So to disable that, you have to go to your settings and go to additional settings. In additional settings, you will see an option called button and gesture control. So swipe down, you will see a feature called hide soft buttons. So you have to enable that and you will get a pop-up and you can just click on hide. So as you can see here, the buttons are disabled. So to get the buttons, you just need to swipe up and you will get the on-screen buttons. So now you can enjoy all the apps in full screen mode. The next features are associated with the camera application, so let's check out that. Whenever you open up your camera, it will directly go to the photo mode. You can change that. If you want the camera to open up in any other mode like portrait mode or selfie mode, you just need to open up that mode and go to the settings and you will see an option called save previous mode. Just enable that. And once you close the camera and open up again, you will directly go to the mode which you have saved. The next cool feature is the addition of variety of scene modes. You will get a lot of scene modes like portrait, landscape, sports, night portrait, and like lots of features. Lots of scene modes. You can definitely try that and it is like really cool. The next cool and interesting feature is the straighten feature, which allows you to take the photo in any angle, whichever angle you want, and the end result will be a perfectly straight photo. The last and the final feature is the tilt shift, which allows you to select the portion of the background which you want to blur out. The pictures taken using this effect came out to be good, but it is not that good as you get from a portrait mode. So that's it guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time, bye bye.